Chainsaw choke issues. You can't get it on choke and you can't get it off choke. I'm quickly going to show you how to do it in this video. First of all, let's start by putting all the machines in the off position. MS-170 first. This is one I see that most people struggle with because it's the most convincing. You know what you're doing, but you can't get it to do it. First of all, to put it in the on position, it's there. But there it won't start if it's been standing and it's cold. So you have to go to the full position, full choke, that is completely down all the way, but it doesn't want to go. You have to pull the trigger and then press it. Now, after you've pulled on it and it turned over, it made a burp, you have to go to half choke. Now, by pulling the throttle, that does not work. You have to do that part manually. Now what's confusing is, after you've pulled it, the machine revs high, and you want to get rid of that revs. You want to push it to get it on the normal on position, and it's stuck again. All you have to do is just pull on the throttle and off. Same on the MS250. I'm going to show you. It's off, on, and it will get stuck there. When you pull it, you can go to a half choke and full choke. To get it off, same, it's kind of stuck on half choke. You have to pull the throttle and it's in the on position. To turn the machine off, you're going to have to push it up all the way. Most of the older Stihl saws will work on this way. Some of them will look more like this, other will look more like that. Now here on the 172 and the newer generation saws that has these top bolts, or most of them have this new design, they actually skipped a step where on the MS250 and the 170 you have to manually press it off and then it stays there, and you get a lot of people, you're pulling and pulling and pulling and it doesn't want to start because it's off actually. So here what they have changed is the off is automatic reversible. You push it and it goes back to the on position. To get this into choke, exactly the same. It doesn't want to stay there. Push down the throttle levers, push it down all the way, and it's on full choke. Same like on the others, you're going to have to do that part manually. If it will start now, it will rev high, and you just blip it. So all this is it skips that one step and puts it back on for you, so you don't have to struggle. I hope this video helped you if you've been struggling with the chokes and to get it unchoked or unchoked. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.